Alright, today my bushcraft pot has arrived and I'm very excited. It's come! Hallelujah! Yes! Alright, so today I'm unboxing the bushcraft pot that just arrived in the mail today. Beaner! Hey! Come here! Beaner! Come! I'm here with Beaner. Beaner's gonna share the moment with me, Mr. Bean. So, this is the first bushcraft pot that I have ever gotten. It is the Zebra 12 centimeter billy pot. So, I'm very excited. Let's open it. Alright. Gigi's here too. Gigi's here too. Everybody's here. Okay. So, I shall open this. Move the camera. There we go. That's better. Is that better? It's better, right? Yeah. Okay. Oh, yes. So, I ordered this from the Canadian Outdoor Equipment Co. And it has taken about a week to get here from Ontario. So that's pretty fast shipping considering all the COVID-19 stuff that's happening, you know? Okay, there we go. Man, this is very, very, very well packed. How do they expect me to open this? How does this even work? Hazel. Hey, that's enough. Bean. Oh my gosh, how does this open? There's no, like, thing. No. Huh? Oh. Oh. Thanks, Mom. Man. Nope, there's more. There's more. Aha. Ha ha. All right. Yes. 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 Alright, this is the knife and axe sharpening stone that I also got, but that will be another video. Oh my gosh. I got it, I got it, I got it, I got it. Yes! beautiful. Alright. Zebra. Loop handle pot, auto lock, stainless steel. 12 centimeter. Yes. Let's open it. Oh my gosh, they like to tightly pack their stuff. Oh. Okay. There it is. There it is. Oh yes. Oh my. Oh my. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. That. How does this work? Ah! That is amazing. Oh, it's much bigger than I expected it to be. Yay! I'm so happy! Alright, so I have unboxed my new pot. The Zebra stainless steel STUS 304 12 centimeter. Oh! Okay, so I'm going to attempt to do like a review type thing here, but I don't know that much about it. So, first of all, I have spent many weeks, many months even, trying to find the right pot. I've looked at the Toaks pots, just pots at like different stores around here. I was looking at titanium, stainless steel, I was looking at all sorts of things. So, I chose this one. So this was $30 at Canadian Outdoor Equipment Co. and $30 Canadian. So, ooh, there's even like a little engraving on it right there. Ooh, pretty. Okay, so it's quite big, like, it's big. So, it has the bail with the little, like, area that you put the stick in, and then it locks in between these two, like, little metal clips on either side. So if I can undo that, and I've got these clips, and these clips are meant to hold the bail steady and just to kind of hold the lid on. So apparently these used to be plastic, but now on the new ones they are metal. So also it's got the little handle. Yeah, I kind of wish it had the little folding out wire handles that like fold in and you can hold it, but it's fine. Okay, so if I open that, it's the lid, very snazzy. It's very shiny. Oh, there's a Firebox Billy sticker inside and instruction manual. And then it also comes with this little dish inside. So there's the pot. It's quite large. You could easily cook for two in there. And then there's this little plate. So this is like a skillet, bowl, plate, eating dish. And you could probably like put this in the coals too. So this is all stainless steel. I'm so happy. This is so cool. So there is a 10 centimeter, a 12 centimeter, which is this one, a 14 centimeter, and a 16 centimeter. So I was debating getting the 14 centimeter at first, but then I looked at videos and reviews and stuff, and this one would be good. And I'm very glad I got this one instead of the 14 centimeter, because the 14 centimeter would be huge then. And then the 10 centimeter, that would also probably be a good choice for solo. And then this could be solo and also two people, which is good because I do a lot of stuff with my friends. Yay, I'm so happy. I can't even tell you how happy I am right now. So, the 3 components are the pot, the lid, and the dish. So, yay. I don't even know what else to say. So, the thing is between stainless steel and titanium. Titanium is so light, it's insane. So this one, it has some weight to it. Like, with everything. It's pretty hefty. Like, oh, bean. And then titanium is super light, but I was told that stainless steel is more durable than titanium. Like, it would last longer. And also, it is cheaper. So, if this pot, this exact same pot, was titanium, it'd be at least $60. Like, $60, $70 at least. So I'm not sure, this is like a sticker on here, I guess. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to take that off before I use it, but yeah, wow. Since 1966, eh? Ooh. So I'm very excited to use this Zebra. Is it Zebra or is it Zebra? Pretty sure it's Zebra. I've heard people say both, so I'm not sure. Yay! I used to have these just GSI camping pots, but they were aluminum, and that apparently is not the greatest for cooking over an open fire. It's not as healthy, it's not as durable, especially with like the coating or whatever coating thing that's on aluminum, but it is lighter. But I had a pot and a pan like that. And then this is my new one. So it's very cool. I kind of like how the bail locks, so it doesn't kind of like flop around. And it also, when it locks, it pushes these clips in. So you can see when I take it off, these clips go out. And when I push it on, they're kind of locked on there now, and the lid can't come off. So that's good for storing like food and stuff inside, so it doesn't come out all over your backpack or something, I guess. It's so shiny, like it's like a mirror. Look at that. You can even see the camera in it. Look at that. Wow. I am very, very happy. I've looked at a lot of pots, and this one was probably one of the cheaper ones that I found, and it's very nice. So for 1 to 2 people, I'd recommend this one. For 1 person, the 10 centimeter. For over 2 people, so like 3 people, the 14 centimeter, and for like 5 or 6 people, maybe even, the 16. Like, I've seen videos of the 16 centimeter and it's huge. It's very, very big. And I'm also very excited about this. I got this knife and axe stone, sharpening stone. I got this with that, but that will be another video. And if you want to see that, go to my channel, check it out, because it's coming. Yeah. I'll probably also do a tutorial on how to sharpen your axe with that. So, actually, I think I will... So this is 1.4 liters. And it is... I think... Yeah. 12 centimeters, 1.4 liters. I think it weighs like 750 grams or something. I don't know. I'll go and weigh it. But yeah, I really like it. It's really nice. So, Zebra, if you're listening, put a fold-out handle on this, and a handle that folds out from the bottom so you can use this as a skillet. And then, boom, out a few extra dollars, world's best pot ever created. Definitely. I'm very happy. I'm super excited to use this out. Test it out. Yay! I don't know how many times I'm gonna say yay, but yay. Thank you for watching the unboxing and somewhat of a review of the Zebra 12 centimeter Billy Pot. Join me next time, or whatever the YouTubers say. What is it? It's like, go to my channel, subscribe, like, all that stuff, you know. Join me next time, continue watching, click my other videos. Bye!